Okay guys, it's our first time going to the Disneyland resort. We are literally sleeping in Disneyland.
They have a swimming pool here, and in the swimming pool, they have a water slide.
Guys, look over there.
Look, yeah, look.
Oh my god, it's really just Disneyland resort. And guys, hey guys, it's a room, and now it's time for the tour. I know you all been waiting for this. I know it. So here is, I don't know what it's called. It's very small, but look at the details of everything, like everything. Here's like a Mickey stool, some Mickey Mouse ears. And like everything says Disney Resort with the Disney logo. And yes, there is toilet paper. And here's the bathroom, very small bathroom. Here's the toilet. And everybody, you are welcome to come in the bathroom. Here's the toilet. Look at it.
Here's a closet. And I fix.
Here's the toilet. Here's the toilet paper. And here's the shower room. There's some towels. I'm sorry. And there are two sinks. Can you believe that? We got two sinks because they're so cool. And here's we got this little desk table if you wanna write a movie about Mickey. Like, I'm kidding. We got one bed that can fit 2 people. Got another bed that can fit 2 people. Oh, look at those beautiful details. Look, there's guess who I found?
Guess who I found too? Oh, hey, that's really cool. Look.
Hey guys, look. Hey guys. We got a couch. We got a couch. Heads up if you want to sleep. Heads up, I want to sleep. It's like a bed. It's like a bed. Now we're gonna show you the bed. Yes, we're gonna do the bed. What beautiful details on the curtains. You said we would get a view of the fireworks. Little coffee table, 2 seats, and this little area down there. And look down there. Look what we have. Here's that down there.
Should I say hello to them?
No. Oh my God! Look, under the Disneyland. I think that's
The monorail.
the bullet. I guess. Yes, we call it monorail. And there's stones on the roof.
Should we go to the pool now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of the room?
I think it's beautiful.
I think it's a bit too small.
And now let's check out the pool.
I'm gonna take my shoes off. And get in the pool.